Okay, the goal for this video is to show you how to set left, center, and right tabs, and also how to set a .leader tab. So the first thing I'm going to do is type a title. I'm going to say classes, and my column headings are what I'm going to put next. So I'm going to make this one be, this column will be the period. Then I'm going to hit tab one time. And then this next column will be the name of the class. And I'm going to hit tab again. And then the third column, I'm going to name AM or PM, just because I can't think of anything better. And now I hit, if you turn on your show hide, go to the home tab and turn on your show hide, you can see that there's arrows there. That means there's tabs set, okay? So I'm going to do just a couple more rows. So I'm going to have period 1, and then I'm going to hit tab, and then I'm going to say science, and then I'm going to hit tab, and you can't, I hit tab, but it's so little you can't hardly see it. Just only hit it one time. And then I'm going to put AM for that, and then enter. And before I do the rest, I'm going to show you how you can set a tab for existing text, and then how you can use the tabs that you set for the rest of anything else you want to type below that, okay? So I need you to look at your ruler, and if you can't see your ruler, go to View and check Ruler. That turns your ruler on and off, okay? So since I already have these lines already typed, I'm going to select them, and I'm going to select the space I have below that last line. I've got it all selected, okay? And to set a tab right over here, you can see when I point in the upper left corner, that is a left tab. Then if I click one time and point at it, that's a center tab. If I click again and point at it, that's a right tab. And again, that is a decimal tab, which means everything would be aligned at the decimal place. And then we have a bar tab, which basically every time you hit tab, it just draws a line like that. So going down your page, it would be a straight line. It's a great way to separate columns. And then when I click again, that's the first line indent. This is the hanging indent. And then there was a right indent, and then we're back to left indent. So it cycles through, okay? So the first thing I'm going to do for the name of the class, I'm going to have that be aligned at the left. Or actually, yeah, we'll do left. And so now that this is set at left, I'm going to come over here and click on the number 2. I want to set a left tab at 2 inches. So I click here, just below the 2 for a left tab. Okay, and then now for this other one over here for AM, PM, I'm going to want that one to be a center tab. Right here, center. And I'm going to set a center tab at 5.5. Okay, so now, and then if I click here, after that last line I typed, or even actually I set the tabs, you know, for this line too, you can see they're set. Okay, so then I can type 2 and hit tab, and you can see these are aligned at the center. These are aligned at the right or at the left. Okay, if I want to change my mind about what kind of tab I have set, I can select these, and then I can click and drag to move it around and change the position, make it look better. Or I can even do this. I can point, and when it says left tab, I can click and drag it straight down. That deletes it. And it looks kind of funky right now, but I can come up here and get the right tab, and then I can click right here for number 3, and now these are aligned at the right. Okay, so that's how you can set left, right, and center tabs. I'm actually going to delete this and this. And now I'm back to just the first tabs. And I'm going to put a tab in front of, yeah, it's not going to let me. Okay, forget that. Sorry. I'm going to go ahead and select these again and just review quick. I'm going to show you. I want, for this first one, I want a left tab for the names of the classes. So if I click over here and cycle through, oops, I went too far. There's my left tab. So I'll set a left tab here at 3, and then I want to set a center tab at 5.5, okay? And now, let's say I want to have a dot leader tab, but not for my column headings, only for the rows below it, so it makes it easier to read, kind of like in a menu or in a program. So I'm going to select those, and then I'm going to go to Home, and in the paragraph section, I'm going to click this box. It's the little itty-bitty arrow box thing. That's a dialog box launcher. Go ahead and click that, and you can see here tabs in the paragraph dialog box. Click that, and let's say we want the dot leader tab to be set for both tabs. So the 3-inch tab, I'm going to click on that to select it. I'm not going to mess with the alignment. It's left. That's fine, but we could change it here if we wanted to. And then for the dot leader tab, I'm going to hit 2 and then set. And if I click OK, there you can see it. And I'm going to turn off the show hide so you can see it better. But that's how you set a dot leader tab. If you want to change that, again, Home tab, paragraph section, dialog box launcher, tabs. Okay, and then you click on the number that you want to adjust. You know, maybe you want to change the alignment to center with no leader for that one. But for the 5.5 one, you want to have it be a leader. Okay, then set, and then okay. I guess I didn't hit set for the other one, but there you can see how the dot leader tab is set for both. Okay. You could also right-click the selection and choose paragraph from the shortcut menu, and then tabs, and that's another way to do it.